Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. Thanks for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Aveeno Calm Restore Triple Oat Serum. I already did a designated video review of the Oat Gel Moisturizer by Aveeno from the same Calm Restore line. Man, these products are expensive. They retail for $24.99. And we're at CVS, you guys. We're not at Sephora or Ulta. So I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I ended up picking up the serum to test out for you guys. I'm about halfway through. The difference between the Oat Gel Moisturizer that I already have a video review on my channel and the Triple Oat Serum is just that a serum is more lightweight, whereas a moisturizer is a little bit heavier and a little bit thicker. And that's the case here. So you don't need both of these products. I'm just getting them both to test them out for you. You only need one of them. And I would not suggest that you go ahead and pick up the serum version, and I'll tell you why. So for starters, the packaging, while it does look very nice, very sleek, very high-end, it is annoying to use. So you take on the cap, there's a little push down to get product, and then you push it out onto your face or onto your hand. But unfortunately, when you push it down, you don't get a lot of product. See how it's only about halfway filled? That's not enough to do my whole face. So I find myself dipping in about 3 times just to get the serum all over my face and neck. And that's annoying. That's time consuming. I don't have time, especially in the morning. So what I end up doing is just dumping it on my hand and then applying it, which kind of defeats the purpose of this packaging, which we're probably paying for because this is $24.99. So that's the first annoying thing. The second annoying thing is that you only get 1 fluid ounce of product. So this is not a lot of product and you're going to go through it very quickly. I've only started using this 2 weeks ago and I don't even use it every single day and I'm halfway through with it. So you're definitely going to fly through this product. It is literally the same exact thing as this Oat Gel Moisturizer, except the Oat Gel Moisturizer is a little bit thicker. You only need one of these, like I said, so definitely pick up the Oat Gel Moisturizer. You get 1.7 fluid ounces of product, so almost double the amount of product. Same price, $24.99. And then you just dip your finger in and put it on your face. Way easier, way better. It is thicker, as you can see, this is upside down, nothing's falling out. So it is a little bit of a thicker product, but it's not crazy thick. I will do a swatch comparison. So here we have the Oat Gel Moisturizer, and let's put on the serum. So again, you just pump it and then pump it out. So as you can see, moisturizer, serum, there's really not a lot of difference. And, you know, the ingredients are really like the same. The serum actually isn't even that runny, so interestingly enough. I do think that it's a nice product, and because they are really basic moisturizers, they don't have anything like really in them. They're just hydrating, and then they do have the oat, which all Aveeno products have, which is good for sensitive skin. It's good for rosacea. It's good for skin that's red and irritated. So I definitely like that. But what I'm saying is it doesn't have a lot of active ingredients in it besides the oats. So you can mix this with any of your skincare ingredients and you'll be a-okay. So if you want to use an exfoliator, you're good. Niacinamide, you're good. Vitamin C, you're good. Retinol, you're good. Tretinoin, you're good. Like, you can literally use it with anything, so that's great. It's just a basic moisturizer. However, there are other basic moisturizers like this that, you know, are way cheaper. They don't have the oat in it, but they're a third of the price. I mean, so that's the only downside. Similarly, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost comes in the same jar as this, and then they have a hyaluronic acid serum. They're almost the same thing, except those are hyaluronic acid based, and those are more affordable than these Aveeno products. So I definitely want you guys to be aware of that. I hope that this was helpful for you. Again, if you're interested in this line, you only need one of these. You don't need both. I recommend the Oat Gel Moisturizer in the jar, but if you did want to get the serum, maybe you're super oily, you want something lightweight, you don't care about cost, you don't think the packaging will be annoying, then I guess get this, but really, I would only get this, and I'm not even sure if I'll repurchase these or not. Stay tuned. When we get into summer, I'll have my spring skincare empties, and I'm sure that these will be in the list because they are nice, and I do reach for them. They are good products. It's just that price point is killer. I think at Target they're $19.99, so that is better, but oof, that's a lot for drugstore. I mean, I want $15 and under, or I want more amount, larger packaging or something like that. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. Let me know if you've used these products before. Make sure that you're subscribed and stay tuned because I am going to be doing a review of the Calm and Restore Oat face wash. So it's from this same line, but it's their face wash. So stay tuned for that. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.